Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One Savings on desktop, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop. In the address bar, type in the URL for Capital One. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Capital One homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to the Login page. Here, enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your credentials, you can check the Remember Me box. Once you've entered your information, click on the Sign In button. Wait a few moments as your credentials are verified. After a successful login, you will be directed to your Capital One dashboard. From there, navigate to your savings account to access your balance and transactions. If you encounter any issues, check if your username and password are correct. If you forget your password, click on the Reset Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover or reset your password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.